What's good, everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in back with another video on this channel. We're doing a nice little apartment tour. I really don't know what you guys mainly want to see. Like, I know the kitchen doesn't really matter, so we're gonna try and breeze through this part of the house a little faster, and then we'll get into the living room, bedroom, whatever it truly is. I just want to say thank you guys so much, because without you and the support that you guys give me, I wouldn't be able to have a place like this with a little bit of extra side hustle funds. Obviously, I would love to do full-time content creation, but you know, that's all in God's plan. Hopefully we make it happen by the end of the year. Okay, as you walk in, you are viciously greeted by this dog right here, Young Rocket. I don't know why he's chasing the camera, but here you guys have it. Here's the entryway. Look how modern this kitchen is. It kind of, I don't even know. Honestly, every time I walk in here, I feel like I'm walking into an Airbnb. Yeah, dream apartment tour. You have the clog posits as my by the door shoes. Kind of something that I just wear, you know, taking out the trash, getting the mail. But here's the kitchen. Super nice appliances, as you guys can see. You have the little tile splash wall, easy to clean. I love how this looks with the lights on right now. I know this isn't something, I mean, maybe you guys want to see my fridge. There's absolutely nothing in here. A couple like ginger shots, some Sprite, some spinach, coffee, milk, eggs, you know, typical bachelor refrigerator. Anyways, so opening this closet up, you have the washer, the dryer, you know, top, bottom, duo, whatever. And then this is a big mess, but I have a ton of shoes, running shoes, Margielas, bags that I use, Stussy bags, you know, Sauconys, Saucony's AEO. Clark Wallabies, this is kind of like the shoes that I don't really wear a ton. There's also a couple boxes tucked away behind this snowboard. If you guys know me, your boy is a nice little shredder on the mountain. I'm just kidding, I'm not that nice. But yeah, so I could have gotten a smaller apartment, but it didn't come with this island. I really wanted this island because your boy has these nice little bar stools. You can eat, you can kind of host. I don't have a dining table, so this is kind of used as that. Obviously, I need to clean this off. You have the nice little home mug that I have, Stussy. I wish I bought two of these, because this mug is like honestly my favorite mug. Nice little cause. This was handmade by, I believe the brand was called Hype Studio. I don't even know. This was really old. I got this like 4 years ago. Wallet, keys, kind of like the valet tray, whatever you want to call it. Gentle Monster glasses, IKEA fake plant. Nice little Creed candle. This thing smells so nice. I got this for Christmas, so yeah. All right, so if you guys want to see the flow, this is the kitchen. I feel like a real estate agent right now. You have the art wall, and then the living room here with a balcony on the outside. This is the mirror that I always, you know, snap a little flick in. Shout out Rocket, he likes to be on camera. Every time he sees the camera, this guy acts up. Look at him. That's pretty much about the kitchen area. I still have a couple of things to add, like up here, I really want to add a mirror. And then, you know, just clean up the space a little bit. But here are the shoes that you guys probably want to see. This rack, I will try and link down below if I can find the link to it. They just recently raised the price of this, which is absolutely insane, because I think they raised it up by like 50 bucks. And I remember this being like really expensive, but I do like the way it looks, so it's kind of worth it. I use it obviously. So you have Asics, Vans, Converse again. Nice little Stussy pearls. Stussy, dude, I'm just a real big Stussy guy, aren't I? Stussy pennies, Chicago's, Rick's, cactus plants, and another pair of Converse. So that's kind of the sneakers by the door rotation with that rack. And then you have the Yeezy boots right here. I've been wearing these a ton. I wear my Yeezy boots everywhere, even in the shower today. For like 5 hours today. I wear these Yeezy boots everywhere, even in the shower today. Okay, so with this living room right here, it was really expensive to kind of get this all done with what I envisioned. So if you're planning to move out, definitely save now, or at least look into the pieces that you want for your apartment. I remember in my old apartment, I had all the cause figures and stuff. So as you're younger, I guess like build up to what you want in your dream home. I'm not saying like the cause figures and stuff are really worth it, but I guess they hold their value. I don't know, let's just get into the art. I know this whole living room is kind of a little hypebeast dream of mine, but I'm happy I was able to achieve it. Essentially what I'm saying is when you're younger, just kind of build up to the pieces that you want in your home. I just remember I bought this Stussy rug right here, like when it was, I don't know, I bought the Stussy rug like before I even had my own apartment. Before I had this apartment, I should say, and I kind of just dreamed of it like being in my home. I don't know. It's just crazy because I remember watching these videos when I was younger, say Kais Omar, Richie Lee, Paul, and when they would do like home tours, I was like, dang, I want that. And it's kind of nice to finally have my home and be able to call it mine, you know? The idea behind this whole apartment is I wanted a space where I can plop a camera anywhere and kind of just be creative and aesthetically film. I'm sure you guys can definitely tell in my content on Instagram or YouTube that like it's easier to film in this space versus like my old space. Okay, so living room, I don't know where you guys want me to start, but we'll start off with the gallery wall here. Look at the pan. So first piece of art, we have the Andy Warhol skate decks. This is a 3-piece set that comes, I believe it was like 500, but I got it for half off. This was like 250. I think it's really cool, you know, chase the bag. It looks really awesome, especially when you take a picture in here and you kind of see it in the back. It matches with the orange couch. I thought that was a good touch. So Andy Warhol piece, good little art. And then this one right here. So I have 3 or 4 pieces done by my homie Johnny. So shout out Johnny if you guys would like to purchase these vinyl clocks. This is actually a vinyl created into a clock. This right here is the 808 Heartbreaks Cause logo on the vinyl made into a clock. That one was fire. This is just a print from online. It says the universe, my dear, is yours, which is a cool little saying because I believe anybody can really, you know, achieve whatever they want. This right here I actually made during COVID, a nice little bold and brash Squidward painting. This one was purchased online, but Johnny paint splattered on it. The Yeezus clock, one of my favorite Yeezy albums because when I was younger, that was like one of my first concerts. So that was cool. This is a Yeezus CD made into a... Okay, last couple pieces in this section here. This one right here is from Good Will Hunting. It's just like a replica painting. I don't know if you guys have ever watched that movie. Personally, it's one of my favorite movies, and I think it kind of helped me grow as a man, I guess, from a wee lad to a man. And this is a really good painting. It just reminds me of the movie, one of my favorite movies ever. And then last but not least, moving into this section here. I don't know, I had a Christmas tree here and I kind of just placed the bear brick on it. This is the Kai Big Wave bear brick with some IKEA stools if you guys are interested. And then this one right here, this one was also made by my homie Johnny, if you guys would like to show him some love. The 808 Heartbreaks backboard rim. I don't know exactly what the description of it is called, but essentially this is a vinyl and he made it into a backboard with a nice little basketball hoop on it. I think this is a really cool piece of art. And my dad purchased me my first ever album. It was 808 and Heartbreaks. I just really love the colors and I thought it was a really good piece. So shout out to Johnny for making this happen. He does a lot of different vinyls. I'll link his website down below. And then moving into this nice little basketball holder from Amazon, and then a nice Syndicate LA basketball. I thought the pink popped and I just really thought it was cool. Briz talked about this on a podcast and he was right. Whenever you ever seen, it's kind of like a Tiffany SB. You know how they have the Tiffany basketballs, but I've never really seen a nice bright big pink basketball. So with the nice little Syndicate logo, the museum. But yeah, part of my art gallery, you know, tying in a whole bunch of things I love into one wall is dope. And then going into this right here, I'm gonna sit down. One big thing I always get on Instagram as I post, you know, whatever, like this is kind of my view all the time. I'm just chilling with Rocket with my feet up on my coffee table or on this thing. But a lot of you guys always ask about this TV here. This is called a Serif TV from Samsung. It is a little expensive, please keep that in mind. But the TV comes in like this art frame, which is very different. And then the 2 stands right here. I just thought it was really cool, and a lot of like influencers do have this TV, but it really adds to the art form of the place, if you know what I mean. And what I like about it is if I wanted to move that TV in this corner, I can make it happen. If I wanted to move it anywhere by a plug, it's super easy to go ahead and move. So, and also the speakers aren't that bad. I haven't added an external speaker, but we could play a little song. Hey, yo. Little SZA. Yeah, cool TV. I don't know if it's picking up the audio because the mic, but yeah, That PND album cover is crazy. But to say thank you guys so much for all the support. If you haven't smashed the like button, please smash the like button. And then I also wanted to say a lot of you watching the videos aren't subscribed. So please show your boy some love and subscribe. So getting into the rest of the space, going into more of the couches. A lot of you guys asked where I got my couch from. This is actually from Amazon. Just look up, I'll link it down below if I can find one, but Mario Bellanini, I don't even know how to say it, but it's kind of just like a couch that you can move. So putting you guys onto some interior design, it's called modular. I wanted to make my place very modular and kind of just be able to move things around very, very easily. So this couch can actually, this part of the couch can go in the middle of here. That part of the couch can use as a leg extension. I'll put up a photo of how it used to be. And then this TV can go in that corner. Everything can be like placed very, very differently, which I really love about this place here. So again, this one's called the Mario Bellanini couch, I don't know. Coffee table vibes. I did get this piece from, this is just an acrylic coffee table, easy to find. I got this from Facebook Marketplace. I think I paid like 50 bucks. So super cheap on this. We have the Off-White book, the Drake book that has a whole bunch of like funny memes in it. And then last but not least, this little cause piece here. I purchased this myself. I didn't purchase secondhand. It was a little expensive. Obviously you guys know cause, but the reason why I got this, it kind of means a lot to me. I'm actually born on Earth Day. So yeah, I thought this was a really good piece, and we'll get into the rest of the place here. Getting into this corner, I'll link this light down below. I actually purchased it from Amazon. So some people asked about it. Sets the vibe at night. This one right here is a mid-century modern chair from Facebook Marketplace. I got this, I don't even know, I think I paid like 200 for this chair. It is expensive, guys, but I mean, furniture, if you guys are older, you guys know furniture is a lot. So nice little steal of a deal for this Facebook Marketplace find. But yeah, going into this little shelf here, this is actually from IKEA. So I keep a little bit of knickknacks on here. I have Rocket's camera, so I could check up on him. This Supreme lockbox with some savings in there. That's crazy. Some cash. Hey, yo. Grinches. I haven't hooped in like 6 months, which sucks, but we have a couple of my basketball shoes up here. So Kobe Grinches, a grail of mine. Just really cool to see on display. A cause figure. Shout out Jay. He gave me this for a steal of a deal. And then we have the reverse Grinches, which is really cool. My sister actually got these for me for Christmas, so I don't want to get rid of those. And then we have another cause figure that I got for Christmas a couple years ago. And then the last couple shelves, I'm actually gonna clean this up a bit, but these are all the books that I've read throughout the years. This one's like a Virgil abloism book, which is kind of like a little Virgil, diary, I guess. This one's really cool. I got this when he passed. I saw someone selling it online, so I'm sure these are widely available if anyone wants to read these. I wanted to say, read some books, get some knowledge. While you guys are young, you guys have a lot of time to really figure out life. Honestly, my main piece of advice is to really just start now versus later. Like there's never a perfect time to start, just really start. So yeah, that is the main part of the apartment here. You guys see the vibes. You guys can catch the vibes on Instagram. I always post this place. But I'll go into the bedroom just a tiny bit because I don't really care to show that. But you have the bathroom. Nice. It's like very spacious. Big mirror. I know you guys probably don't care about the bathroom. And then my bedroom is a little bit messy, but I have this vision board thing that I'm making. Kind of just putting up some photos of my ideas with my brand. And then this is kind of another vision board or a prayer board, I want to say. And then mainly this is kind of what I wanted to show. So, okay, so this is the main area I wanted to show. Excuse the wire management. I know it looks terrible and I still need to work on that, but shout out to my homie Ken. He actually gave me this for a really, really good price. A nice little PC. Brand Flakes streams coming very, very soon. We have the mic here. We're gonna put the camera in this corner. I still use the MacBook from time to time, so just having both kind of works out very well for me. This is a dual monitor setup, nice wide monitor from LG, and you guys can definitely see the vibes even though it is a little messy. So yeah, that is kind of the desk. The face tracking on here is crazy. Look, I can go right here, hit you with a little crossover, I haven't hooped in a while, bro. I miss hooping. If anyone's in Vegas and wants me to hoop with them, please invite me. I'll pull up. I actually played on a subscriber's video. I actually played on a subscriber's basketball team in Vegas. I also forgot to show this piece here. It's a Awake New York Chase collab from Complex Con. I don't think these released online, which is really cool, but it's just a nice little Awake throw pillow. But yeah, I do appreciate you guys so much for all the love on the channel. If you guys enjoyed this apartment tour, please go ahead, smash the like button for me, subscribe if you guys are new here. I truly appreciate the support. It really means a lot. I think it's really cool. What I've realized lately, I've been doing this for so long. I've dreamed about this apartment since the Kais Omar days of YouTube. And now that I have it, I just wanted to go to show like anybody can really do it if you really lock in. I think everyone's growth is gonna be different. For example, some people blow up in a snap of a finger, and some people it takes time. I'm not the biggest YouTuber personally, but I think doing this for about 10 years now, I've had a lot of fun in it, and I'm not worried about numbers. I just really enjoy doing it. So enjoy what you do, keep putting your content out there, keep putting yourself out there, network. Something I learned recently from Omar from Vegas, your network is your net worth, and I think that's really important. So shoot your shot, you know? Slide in the DMs with businesses, friends, people, me, whatever it is. If you have something, like for example, this guy, he sent 2 hats, and I hope he got some orders because, dude, look at this. These hats are sick. So I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I just want you guys to follow your dreams like I'm following mine. So yeah. Dude, I know I'm an emotional guy, and I know I talk a lot to the cameras, and I think that's why podcasting or streaming is very important. But I just wanted to say, like, thank you guys so much for all the support. Thank you so much for all the love. Even sending me a random DM or, you know, comment, it really means a lot. It truly keeps me going. It keeps me motivated. And, you know, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Sometimes I feel like God speaks through you. God speaks through his people, and some people like are just so kind. So let's keep the kindness going on this channel and the kindness going in this community. If you guys would like to join the Flakes community on Discord, it's completely free. So make sure to go ahead and go join that. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like the video, and really hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour, and hopefully I can help motivate you guys to, you know, be able to do stuff like this and kind of live a cool life, I guess. So thank you guys. I appreciate you so much. I hope you guys have a great, beautiful, blessed day, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. I almost forgot the emoji of the day. How could I do that? If you guys watch to the end of this video here, make sure to go ahead and drop the orange emoji because your boy got an orange couch. So if you guys watch to the end, orange emoji down below so I know. Catch you on the next one. Big ups. Peace.